I want to tell you a hard truth. This market, which is forex, is made for you to lose money. You know why? Because all these gurus on the internet say that you need to learn a manual trading strategy to be successful in this market. Otherwise, you cannot use automated solutions, aka expert advisors, to get basically any results in this market. And if you want to pass your pro from challenge, or if you want to grow your personal account, you have to know a manual trading strategy, which is not the case. Because all these people love you to learn all these strategies that have different names, ICT, price action, I don't know, smart money, or Fibonacci levels. They're just fancy names for that I forgot right now. But they want you to learn these strategies so you can actually come to this market with a lot of money and blow them all in no time. And that's exactly what I did a few years ago. I've been trading for 5 years, since 2019, and the first 3 years I was trading manually. Absolute garbage. You know why? Because I lost over $30,000 as an international student in a foreign country, and I basically lost my life. And in the past 2 years, I automated everything from A to Z, whether for growing my personal account or passing my pro from challenges. And in this video, this is exactly what I want to show you. I want to take you to my computer to show you verified MyFxBook results, so you can see exactly how automated solutions, or I would say trading bots, could grow my personal account without my involvement. I didn't sit behind the charts 24/7 to analyze the market and find a sniper entry to enter the market. I didn't do any of that stuff. I'm not trading manually anymore, although I know how to do it. But why would I do that? Why would I get my emotion involved in the market if there's a way that can automate everything for me, emotionless and with more accuracy? Because I want to spend time on other stuff. Sometimes I don't have time, or sometimes you sit behind the charts, you try to analyze the market, but there's no entry, and you basically need to leave everything for that day and go to your job or whatever it is, but you wasted 2 to 3 hours that day. I know the reward can also be good, but think about it this way, that how much time do you need to spend to craft that strategy to be super profitable? And then you're like, okay, I made 10K this week, so if I don't trade anything today, that's totally fine. We go for the next one. There's so many opportunities in this market. I totally understand that, but it's probably 0.5% to 1% of the entire trading population that can do that. But you can automate everything. You can put everything on autopilot. You are able to use expert advisors, the good ones, and pass your pro from challenge, or even grow your personal account. As I said in this video, in the next video, I want to take you to my computer, show you some MyFxBook results for my own personal account. And even if you want to connect to that system, you're definitely welcome to do so. The only thing you need to do is to join our Telegram channel, which you can see the link below this video. Contact our support team, and they'll give you all the information that how you can connect your personal account to this account that I'm running based on the results that you can see. You can also see the results later if you want to. You can get access to all these links. I will send it over, but without any further ado, let's get into it. It's super, super interesting.
Okay guys, I want to show you the results of almost 4 different accounts that are connected to the same system that I just talked about. I'm going to start with this juicy 10K account, which is called Fusion 10K. It's the same system. And by the way, the system's name is Elite Titans Incubator. If you go to general, you see that Elite Titans Incubator by Smarty Incubator team. And let's just go to stats. So as you can see on this account, we are up almost 82% in profit, and today's date is November 13th. So if I go to the last trade, you see that it's taken on November 13th. The balance is $10,542, profit $6,537, but the total withdrawal has been $9,931 because we had some transfers as well. But the actual profit is 6.5K, which is crazy. And if I scroll down, you see that so far we are up almost 5% in profit. Last month, 26.5%, 20.5%. The first one, 6.74%. So let me just go to the second account, which is this 1K account, as you can see here. And we're up 37% in profit on this one. The balance is 1.5K. And look at the last trade, November 13th, 36.37%. And if I scroll down, you see that so far we are up 6.39%. Last month, most of the time the VPS was off. That's why the profit wasn't really good. 3%. So this month 6.9%, 16%, and 7.42%. And if I take you to this account, this is actually the first account that we created on MyFxBook, and we put it on medium to high risk, but now it's just switched back to low risk. And as you can see, it's a clean results here. That's the last trade, November 13th, almost 100% in profit. $6,800 is the balance. Total profit $3,800, which is crazy. And if I show you the results here, you see that we are up 4.19% last month, almost 10%, and 25%, 27%, and so on. And this is the last account that I can show you, is this one, which is a $500 account that we recently created to show people that, hey, you can also start with $500. It doesn't have to be $10,000 or $100,000. And this system is only used for personal accounts, not for passing profit from channels, guys. I know that a lot of people asking this question, but I'm just answering it. No profit for this system. It's purely for personal accounts with over $500 balance. And you can see the profit here as well, 564. And let me show you this, 5.35%, 7.23%, and so on. So that's how the system works, guys. If you just connect your account to this system, which is a copy trading system, it's 100% hands off. You don't have to monitor the news or do risk management, because risk management is calculated automatically. Then the rest is just magic. You know, it actually takes every single trade that the master account has taken, and you will make the same amount of profit as well, according to your balance. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friend who wants to grow his personal account but hasn't been able to do that. This system can definitely help him out, and it's going to be exponential. So let's get it, guys, and thanks for watching this video.